Hello, this is Angelica from Secret DIY, and today we are going to be making this kawaii kitty charm. Let's get started. First, start by taking the color that you'd like your body to be and then roll it into a sphere. You can flatten one end so that it can sit. Take another piece of your body color, shape it into a diamond, and then kind of slightly flatten it. Do the same to pink clay, but make sure you make it smaller than the white clay. Place the pink clay in the middle of the white clay, and then you can cut it in half so you get 2 ears. Onto the head or body using one of your tools or just your fingers. Now to make the hands, take some white clay and then roll it into a teardrop shape. Make 2 of these so that you will have 2 arms, and then blend it onto the body where you want them to go. Now take some more of your body color and then roll it into an even longer and bigger teardrop shape. Then cut the thin end off at an angle so that it's easier to blend it onto the back of the body. To make the paws, take 2 equal sections of your body color and then shape them into circles. Now take some pink clay and then shape it into a small triangular shape and then slightly flatten that so that you can put it on the paw. Do the same to the other one. Now take some more of your pink clay and then roll it into a thin snake or log. Cut this into 4 equal sections and then roll them into balls so that you can place them above the triangle to create toes. Take your needle tool or just a toothpick and then create 3 indents between the toes to make toes that wiggle. Do the same to the other paw and then gently place these below the hands to make it look like the cat is sitting. Blend these feet onto the cat using one of your tools or just your fingers. Now use your dotting tool of your choice and then create 2 indents where you want the eyes to go. Now cut off 2 equal sections of a thin snake of brown clay and then roll these into balls, then place these into the indents that you just made. Now roll an even thinner snake of brown clay and then cut off a tiny section. Bend that section into a U shape with your fingers and then place it on to the face where you want it to go using your needle tool. Make another one and place it next to it to make a little cat mouth. Now just make a small circle with the brown clay and then place it on the tip of the snout to make the nose. And then you got your face. If you want to make this into a charm, take an eye pin and then put it in. You can secure this with some bacon bond or any kind of liquid clay. Bake and glaze it and you're done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, in the meantime, bye!